Okay, here's a short video showing how to take a screenshot on your Chromebook. Alright, there's two different keyboards here. If you want to take a screenshot, a picture of your whole screen, you would click these two buttons, Control, and the button that is right above the number 6, which is either F5 or this window switcher key. So using those two, we'll take a picture of your whole screen. If you want to take just a partial picture of your screen, you would do Control Shift and that window switcher button. Or if you have this keyboard, you would do Control 5 and the F5 button. And then we'll give you a partial control. And it will give you a box that you can resize to take the screenshot if you just want to do the partial one. To get to your actual screenshots, they will go right to your Google Drive. You can see mine here. It will show screenshot and then the date and time that the screenshot was taken. If you need to share this with a teacher, you would right-click and you can either share and put in the teacher's name, or you can do the Get Shareable link and send this link to your teacher just by clicking Copy Link. Hope that helps.